Hey there, everybody. So I'm restoring a early BN4 gas heater, and the wiring was already loose when I got it. So now I'm trying to put it back together. And I'm not sure if I've got everything right. Like specifically this overheat switch. I don't know what goes on this side, this terminal right here. Don't know if this is supposed to be hooked up to that. Um, got this purple wire, and some of the wiring diagrams are different, so I'm not sure if that should go to number 2, as I've got it connected here. And there were some other questions I had just about, this, mostly about this circuit right here, this overheat protection. Uh, but if anybody else sees anything wrong with my wiring so far, could you please let me know? I would appreciate it. Anyway, it's coming along. I replaced both this diaphragm here, as you can see by the blue, which I haven't trimmed back yet. And then I did the same thing with this. So I haven't tested anything yet, but we'll be doing that so far. And right now it looks like that. Thanks.